it is time we go to the tunnel. You guys blew up the short I made, put it right there on the screen. You guys blew it up, and you guys blew up some of my other videos too. So today we got the wind muff, and before we go to the tunnel, I gotta go get food. But then right after, we're gonna go down to the tunnel and explore it. Yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so I was on my way to get some eats, and look what I found. A construction site. Now, I really wanted to go on it, but I also I do need content, so before I get eats, we're gonna look at this big cat machine. Yo, look at that R. Fascinated by an R. Alright, let's go explore. Okay. So, dude, look at those tread marks, bro, on the road, oh my god. This is crazy. Wait, this house was actually really nice. This house had like a balcony and such. Wow, crazy. All right, let's get food. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. This thing's scary. All right, guys, there's the tunnel over there. We are here. Oh, bro, I'm so scared. I was gonna bring a friend, and then they chickened out, so. Hold up. You know what we can do? There's you see that hill down there? We're gonna go down. Because that's fun. That thing's steep. I don't know how it's so steep. Alright, let's do it. No throttle! Oh god, bro. Alright. It's hard here because you have to like open the gate. It's so sketchy. But, yep, here we go. Let's do this. Guys, we are in the tunnel. I had to redo the shot because I was filming vertical. But, oh no, bro. There is shit everywhere, bro. Okay. There's like writing. Okay, so this is like the main area of the tunnel, bro. And oh my god, bro. It's so freaking sketchy. There's a school zone sign. I don't know how that got in here. Oh no. You see all those CDs? I think those are like satanic CDs. Shit. I swear to god, I just saw like a thing pass. Oh my god. What the fuck is that? Oh my god, bro. And now I'm like actually scared. I don't know, I think that's like the devil. Dude, I swear to god, I'm actually scared. Bro, you guys can't see. But, I think I saw someone down there. And I'm freaking the fuck out. So, there's a room, there's a telescope down there, and I'm not gonna go down there. Because there's like a million cockroaches. And I don't know if you guys can see, there's more writing on these walls. There's just CDs and more cobwebs, and there's a manhole with just cobwebs just everywhere, bro. It's so scary. Okay, so, oh fuck. Oh god, bro. So, crossing over, get a good look at these CDs. Oh my god. It like reflects down, and it like, bro. I'm using my phone right now because it has a light. Oh frick, bro, this is so scary. I don't want to go down there. Oh no, bro. This is so scary. Do you see that? Sarah. I wonder who Sarah is. She's probably like part of a tribe. It's probably like all like a big like tribe thing. They're like, I think they like want to kill people, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh. Alright. Shit, I heard someone park. Fuck, no. This is all sad. So, you guys freaking blew that video up, bro. Now I have to go in here. It's freaking scary. Alright, well, I'm too scared. I'm gonna leave. So, I was leaving, and I saw this freaking tunnel, bro. And you can hear cars just down there. Alright, 200 likes, and I'll go down there. I know you guys can do it, because you guys blew up way more short videos. 200 likes and I'll go down that mysterious tunnel.